Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is narrated by Ibn Abbas, Allah's apostle was the most generous of all the people, and he used to be more generous in the month of Ramadan. Gabriel used to meet him every night in Ramadan to study the Holy Quran carefully together. Allah's apostle used to become more generous than the fast wind when he met Gabriel. Bukhari 3220. Ibn Abbas narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ was cupped while he ﷺ was in the state of ihram, and also while he ﷺ was observing a fast. Bukhari 1938. Rafi bin Khadi narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "The cupper and the one who cupped have broken the fast." Tirmidhi 774. Hadrat Aisha, mother of believers, narrated that the Holy Prophet ﷺ would apply gall while he ﷺ was in the state of observing a fast. Tirmidhi 1774, Al-Tabrani 932. It is narrated by Amir bin Rabia, I have seen the Holy Prophet ﷺ using a toothstick while he ﷺ was fasting. Abu Dawud 236.